Are you tired of websites secretly reading your clipboard? I mean, really think about it. Every time you copy a password, a credit card number, or a private message, that data is sitting there in your clipboard just waiting. And some websites can actually look at it without you even knowing. Creepy, right? Well, we are going to shut that down right now. I'll show you how to block clipboard permission in Chrome in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to block it for any site. Let's start. First, launch Google Chrome. Just open it up normally, like you do 100 times a day. It doesn't matter what page you see when it opens. We'll get to the right place in just a second. Now, navigate to the website you want to restrict. This is the key part. You can only block clipboard access for a website you are currently visiting, so go ahead and type in the address of the site you're worried about. Maybe it's a site you use for work, or an online service you don't quite trust yet. Get that page loaded up. Alright, now look at the very top of your browser window, at the address bar. See that little icon sitting just to the left of the web address? It usually looks like a tiny lock, or maybe an eye in a circle. Click on that. From the small menu that pops up, look for the option that says Site Settings. It's usually right near the bottom of that little window. Go ahead and click it. This opens up a new tab with all the controls for that specific website. Now we are getting somewhere. You'll see a list of permissions for that site, things like location, camera, and microphone. But we need to dig a little deeper. Scroll down until you see the section labeled More Settings and Permissions. It's a smaller link, kind of easy to miss, so keep an eye out for it. Click on that. Alright, now you are looking at the full list. This is the master control panel for that website. Scan through the list until you find the option that says Clipboard. It should be in alphabetical order, so look for the C section. There it is. And here's the really important part. Right next to the word Clipboard, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it. You'll see a few options, but the one we care about is at the bottom. Choose Block. That's it. You did it. From this moment on, that website cannot peek at your clipboard. You have full control. No sneaky scripts, no silent data grabs, just peace of mind. And the best part is, you can do this for any site you visit. If you ever change your mind, just come back to this same spot and switch it back. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.